Pradesh showcased its economic transformation, infrastructure growth and investment opportunities at the Uttar Pradesh Global Growth Dialogue 2026 held in Bengaluru on June 24th. The event, led by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, brought together industry leaders, investors, technology companies and policy makers to explore opportunities in infrastructure, manufacturing, IT, global capability centers, micro, small and medium enterprises and logistics as part of the state's investment outreach program. Yogi Adityanath highlighted Uttar Pradesh's improved law and order, strong infrastructure and connectivity across road, rail and air networks, stating that development over the past 9 years has been driven by administrative stability and sustained infrastructure investment. He noted major projects including India's first National Waterway connecting Varanasi and Haldia, extensive expressways, one of the country's largest railway networks, dedicated freight corridors and metro systems. He said the state has made significant progress in agriculture and agro-based industries through farmer training, market linkages and value addition, while MSMEs have become a key economic pillar. The government is also promoting investments in data centers, clean energy, advanced manufacturing and GCCs. Speaking at the event, Finance Minister Suresh Kumar Khanna said the state is developing new industrial growth centers, including the Bundelkhand Industrial Development Authority, and confirmed that more than 75,000 acres of land are available for industrial investment. He added that Uttar Pradesh has created an investor-friendly ecosystem, offering full support to entrepreneurs at every stage. The event also included discussions on IT-enabled services, infrastructure, GCCs and foreign direct investment. Officials highlighted policy frameworks, industrial corridors, connectivity advantages and emerging investment destinations beyond the national capital region. The discussion forms Uttar Pradesh's broader strategy to attract investments in manufacturing, technology, logistics, renewable energy and services, supporting its vision of becoming a $1 trillion economy. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.